Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we've had this Tyre Repair kit. So inside this case, which is a very nice case by the way, let me get it open, there we are. It's a Tyre Repair kit. This was actually sent to me by a viewer, so once again thank you James. I feel like I thank you a lot, but thank you very much. So inside this kit we had the plastic plugs for the holes. We have a selection of different wheel dust covers and replacement valves in this little bag. I won't open that for now because it's not very interesting. We also have a valve stem remover. So this is for taking valve stems out of tyres. Quite a handy little thing. We have one Allen wrench. We have two handles with various different attachments in it, which I'll go through properly in a minute. And we also have a little knife for cutting off the plugs once you've finished installing them. So we're going to start with the spiral tool first. So this is the spiral drill. So this is for once you remove whatever has punctured your tyre, you use this in a drilling motion. There is actually some footage that I'm going to try and put on somewhere on the screen, hopefully up here somewhere, where you'll see it in action on a tyre. I have actually done a whole video on how to use this kit to do a tyre repair. That was released. I think I'll have a link somewhere around here too. But yeah, this is basically the handle, and you just use the spiral bit to drill out the hole and make it bigger. So earlier I mentioned the Allen key, and that's for changing the bits out on the handles. So you just undo it like that. It's indexed as well, so it's got a little flat spot. And I'll stick in the raspy tool. Again, I'm going to try and put some footage of this in a little box up in the top corner here, somewhere around where my finger is, hopefully. And again, this is the raspy tool. Again, this is just for clearing out the debris and roughing up the surface for the patch or plug to stick to, should I say. Yeah, it just goes in, goes like that. Again, these handles are quite heavy. I quite like the handles, they're quite solid. Yeah, that's what the Allen key is for, it's just for changing these bits out. And on the other handle, we have the Insertion Tools. So you put your rubber strip through here. I'll have a bit of footage of that just now. Hopefully again up in the corner there, you'll be able to see it. If not, I'll add a bit in after this. This set also comes with two insertion tools. They're basically the same tool, but just a spare in case you damage the other one. And once you have your rubber strip or plug inside, you just need to put it into the hole that you've made and then twist it clockwise whilst pushing in to get it to seal. Once again, there should be a bit of footage around here somewhere. And now these are just the miscellaneous bits in here. So it comes with this nice little foldable knife. It's quite sharp, but again, useful for chopping off the plugs once you've got them in the hole, which is very essential to make sure that it doesn't pull itself out while you're driving along the road. And I mentioned before this valve stem remover. It's also got a thread cleaner for cleaning off the threads on your tyre valves. Quite handy for putting the new dust caps on. And then of course we have the plugs themselves. So they come in packs of 5. You can buy plenty of these available on the internet. This one comes with 25 I believe. I've used a few of them just practicing on tyres and just generally using them. So they are quite handy. They are the main part of the kit, to be fair. You need these to fix the tyres, without these you can't really fix them. Obviously it also has the instructions. They're quite basic. I feel like if you use my video you'll probably find a lot better results than the instructions give you. So my final thoughts on this kit. It's really handy. It's going to live in my glove box of my car now. Yeah, brilliant for those on the go repairs. Like we all know have that situation where we've got a flat and it's got a puncture and we just can't keep the air in it. Here's the solution. Again, these can be permanent, I've been told. I personally wouldn't trust it running a long distance, but it's definitely get you going and keep you going. And again, I'd like to thank James for sending this kit to me. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.